Welcome to North Georgia, home to some of the most beautiful mountain lakes in the country. Whether you're looking for a peaceful fishing spot or a boating adventure, at least one of these 5 mountain lakes will be a great day trip for the friends and family. Starting with number 1, Blue Ridge Lake. Located east to the tourist city Blue Ridge, this lake is incredibly scenic within the Chatuge National Forest, and is surrounded by the mountains. This lake has roughly 60 miles of shoreline, many islands, and coves. The lake also has a few public recreational areas, a marina, and it's a great place for fishing. At the northeastern tip of Georgia, bordering North Carolina, you'll find one of my personal favorite lakes in Georgia, Lake Chatuge. Located in the Blue Ridge Mountains, this lake is absolutely breathtaking. It has islands, coves, a public beach, campsites, and a really cool rope swing that we found. The area also provides many places with free public parking for lake access. With a total of 132 miles of shoreline, it's quite sizable and has many lake houses along the shores. Unlike the previous one, Lake Chatuge is within civilization, hugging the heart of the city, Hiawassee. Keep in mind, most other mountain lakes in Georgia are in a more rural region. And whether you prefer that or not, that really comes down to your personal preference. But moving on to number 3 is Nottely Lake. This lake lies northwest of mountain town Blairsville within the Appalachian foothills. However, it's uniquely underpopulated and kind of a hidden gem. The waters are calm, providing excellent kayaking and fishing opportunities with bass, crappie, catfish, bream, and perch. There are also many boat ramps, campgrounds, and marinas within the 106 miles of shoreline. Overall, it's a very underrated lake in the mountains of North Georgia. And number 4, Lake Rabun. Here is yet another great mountain lake. Within the city Tallulah Falls, it's surrounded by little mountains and many lake homes. But what makes this area unique compared to the others are the various hiking spots surrounding the lake. Just upstream, you'll find Angel Falls and Minnehaha Falls. And downstream is the stunning Georgia natural wonder, Tallulah Gorge. And further upstream, in the mountains of North Georgia, Lake Burton. Another amazing choice. And that's it. Those are the 5 best mountain lakes in Georgia. I hope this video helps plan a fun day with your family and friends. But in case you're interested in seeing us kayak and island hop Lake Chatuge, check out that video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.